Good morning. I'm Sivakumar Raja, soft skills trainer, voice and accent trainer, public speaker, and a motivational speaker.
My topic is catenation or linking, elision, intrusion, assimilation, and geminates. So let me start with catenation or linking. If you come across two words and the first word ends with a consonant sound and the second word begins with a vowel sound, you can link them. So let me give you an example. This orange. So we don't say this orange, this orange, this orange, or that orange. We don't say that orange, but that orange or that orange, because T is pronounced as D in American accent. For example, in the American accent, they don't say what about it, but they say what about it, what about it, what about it. T is pronounced as D in American accent. So let me give you a few more examples. Hangout, hangout. So we can pronounce it as, pronunciation of that has to be made as hangout, hangout. Pull over, pull over, pull over, pull over. So if you find two words and the first word ends with a consonant sound and the second word begins with a vowel sound, you can link them. So this is called as catenation or linking. Next is intrusion. By looking at the word, you can understand what is intrusion. A new sound intrudes into the existing words. A new sound intrudes into the existing sounds. So generally, ya, wa, r. Generally, ya, wa, r sounds are used in the intrusion. So let me give you an example. He asked. He asked. So ya sound can be intruded into that, and the pronunciation can be done as he asked, or she answered, she answered. The pronunciation of these two words can be done as she answered, she answered. He asked and she answered. He asked and she answered. He asked and she answered. Do it. Your two words, do it. The pronunciation has to be done as do it, do it. Now with the wa sound. Your two words, do it. The pronunciation has to be done as do it, do it. Let me give you another example. Go out, go out. So intrusion can be done as go out. It's go out. Go out. Put your shoe on. So wa sound intrudes into that. So the pronunciation has to be done as put your shoe on. Put your shoe on. Elision. Next is elision. So elision is nothing but elimination of a sound. So generally ch or j sounds would be eliminated. So generally ch or j sounds would be eliminated. So let me give you an example. My next door neighbor is a honest person. My next door neighbor is an honest person. So you can say my next door neighbor is an honest person. Next door. We don't say next door, but next door. T is eliminated in that. So let me give you another example. Most common. See, we don't say most common, but we need to say most common, most common. So let me give you another example. I have a diamond ring. We don't say that. I have a diamond ring, but the pronunciation has to be done it as I have a diamond ring. I have a diamond ring. D is eliminated here. I have a diamond ring. So let me give you another example. So dad, take me to movie. Dad, take me to movie. But the pronunciation has to be done as D has to be eliminated. Dad, take me to movie. Dad, take me to movie. So in the assimilation, two sounds blend together. Let me give you an example. Cha plus ya. Cha plus ya. So becomes cha. Do you? Did you? Did you? Did you? Cha. Did you? Would you? Could you? Should you? Won't you? Did plus you. Did you? Would plus you. Would you? Could plus you. Could you? So did you? Would you? Could you? Should plus you. Should you? So cha plus ya becomes cha. See, assimilation also happens with ja and ya sounds. Ja plus ya. Ja. Ja. See, examples are didja, woodja, kudja, shudja. Did plus ya. We don't say did plus you. We don't say did you. Didja. Would plus you. Woodja. Could plus you. Kudja. Should plus you. Shudja. See, in the geminates, if you come across two words and the first word ends with one letter and the second word ends with the same letter, you can just club them. So let me give you an example. Small lake. Small lake. Okay. So it can be pronounced as small lake. Small lake. So let me give you another example. Pet turtle. Pet turtle. We don't say pet turtle, but the pronunciation has to be done as petted. Petted. So let me give you another example. I went to Japan. We don't say I went to Japan, but I went to Japan. I went to Japan. So this is regarding geminates. So you need to know regarding catenation or linking, elision, inclusion, assimilation, and geminates to improve your fluency in English and to look more native. If you want to speak like a native speaker, so you need to know regarding catenation or linking, elision, inclusion, assimilation, and geminates.
I'm signing out till we meet again. So bye for now. Have a nice day.